This video you're watching is created by AI. Although it's my face, I'm not the one talking. Now, I will show you how to create one. Are you ready? Let's go. Yes, let me show you how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is to go to Hydra.com, Hydra.com. So once you get here, click on this sign in. Right, so once you get here, just click on this try better. If you're signing in for the first time, it might ask you a few questions. Just answer those questions and move on. Right, so here is where you now put your prompt, what you want yourself or whatever image you want to upload to say. So in this case, I can just type in anything here. Let me just write something here. What I just wrote is, hello, this is just an example of how to create a text to image with AI. All right. So the one I did, okay, so I did two versions of this, all right, which I'm going to show you. So if you check here, you will see my library. Everything you do will be stored in your library. So let me click here to see the first one here.
This video you're watching is created by AI. Although it's my face, I'm not the one talking. Now I will show you how to create one. Are you ready? Let's go.
Right, so this is the first one that I created. You can see that that is not my voice. But if you click on here, I then use my real voice, which I'm going to show you how to do that as well. This video you're watching is created by AI. Although it's so not to waste your time. So these are the two things that you can do with what I'm talking about. So here, this one will create the voice for you, right? And you can come here and select the voice that you want. So the one I used earlier on for this, the first video I created is Brian. Okay, you can come here and click on play to see how the voice will sound. Okay.
In my younger and more vulnerable...
So that is how that voice will sound. And if you come here and then you can select another voice. So let's use this Emily for example.
Never mistake motion.
That is an example. Okay, so here what it's going to say is, hello, this is just an example of how to create a text to video with AI. And then here you can upload an image. So in my first example, what I did is that I just click on upload and I uploaded my own image. But for your own type of video, if you don't want to upload your image, you can as well come to here, all right, and create an image with AI. So I'm going to put a prompt here, right, that is going to generate an avatar for me, and then we'll use this as an example. Right, so the prompt I just created, I said, create the avatar of a cartoon-like beautiful woman showing her face and ready to talk. It's a portrait and she's wearing a V-neck t-shirt with a white background. So this is just a simple prompt that I just created right now just to teach you how you can do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on create. Okay, create. So it's going to create that avatar for us. All right. And you can see here, it looks so beautiful, isn't it? All right. So even though she's not looking at us straight away, but I still like it. It just looks like the one that I have here. But look at this ones. You know, these are examples of what I'm talking about. So I can actually modify this prompt and say, let her be facing straight. So let's see if this will work. So what I just did now is I just modified the prompt a little bit. I said, let her face straight and looking into the camera. Okay, so let's see how this will look. So I'll just click on create. Boom. Even though she's not looking into the camera directly, but let's just use this the way it is for now. So I don't want to wait your time. So once you're done with that, just click on generate video. All right. Once you click on generate video, it says your job is queued. All right. So it takes a little bit of a time, usually like about 1 minute or thereabout to get it done. So I'm just going to pause this video. Once we finish generating it, I'm going to come back. You can see it's on 5% right now. So I'm just going to come back once it's generated and then we continue with our video. Right. So I just came back here and I just realized that it's on 90%. So I just want to come here and show you how it's going to look like as it's finished generating. So you can see it just finished generating the video. Let's now listen to how it will sound.
Hello. This is just an example of how to create a text to video with AI.
This is amazing, isn't it? Right? This is super amazing. So you can create the prompt, you can make it longer, just like I did with my own video here. And I'm going to leave the prompt in the description. You can copy and paste it and test it and see how this is going to look for you. Just before I forget, I also told you that I'll show you how you can generate your own voice as well and use it instead of the AI voice. So instead of this generate video, what you're going to do is click on import video, and then you import the video that you have recorded yourself. So in this case, the tool that I used is called Audacity. All right, so if you download Audacity, all right, so you just download it on your laptop and then you'll be able to use it to record. So once you record it, just export it. Okay, just export it this way. So what you want to do is click on record, and then what you want to do is go to export and then export it as audio, export it as MP3. Okay, once you export it, you then come to this Hyra, all right, and then you upload it here. You can also record with your phone and then upload it. It's the same way. So once you're done with that, you then click on generate again, and then it will be able to generate the one that has your voice. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below and I'll be ready to answer all of your questions. Until next time, make sure you change somebody's life. Bye.